If you're seeing cursor error 403, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to fix it step by step. This usually happens because of an authentication issue, an expired session, a problem with API credentials, or sometimes even a VPN or proxy interfering with the connection. So we're going to walk through each fix one by one until cursor is working again. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's get started. First, we'll refresh your account authentication inside Cursor. Open Cursor and click the gear icon to open settings. From there, click General. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You should see a Log Out option. Click Log Out and fully sign out of the Cursor platform. This step is important because it clears your current OAuth session and forces Cursor to reconnect with fresh authentication data. After logging out, sign back in using the same account you normally use with Cursor. Once you log back in, try the action that was giving you the 403 error and see if it works. In many cases, simply refreshing the login session fixes the issue right away. If the problem continues, the next thing to check is your API keys. This is especially important if you are connecting third-party models or using an MCP server like Claude or OpenAI. Go back into Settings, then Open Models and click API Keys. Here, make sure your credentials are still valid and that nothing has expired or been revoked. If you're using a key that no longer works, replace it with a valid one. If permissions changed, update them so Cursor can access the service properly. Now let's check another common cause, VPN and proxy connections. If you have a VPN enabled, turn it off temporarily. Also disable any proxy settings you may be using. Sometimes Cursor blocks or fails authentication when your network route looks unusual, and that can trigger a 403 error. After disabling both, restart Cursor and test it again. If you still see the error, open Chrome and go to status.cursor.com. This is Cursor's status page, and it lets you check whether there are any ongoing server outages or service issues. If Cursor is experiencing a platform-wide problem, the error may not be on your end at all. In that case, the best option is usually to wait until the service is restored and then try again. So to recap, first, log out and log back in to refresh your OAuth session. Next, check your API keys in Settings under Models, then disable any VPN or proxy you're using. And finally, visit status.cursor.com in Chrome to confirm whether Cursor's servers are having issues. If this helped you fix Cursor error 403, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.